Hello students, welcome back to my channel DM's tutorial. I am here Dipak Mondal going to teach you how to solve the problems from rational numbers from the textbook. I will request you to please keep a close look in my video, and if necessary, if you think there is something to know more, please keep your comment in the comment box. I would request you to please subscribe my channel because I want to reach you with my new videos in the regular time of interval. So without wasting any time, please let's go. First of all, it is to check whether a pair of rational numbers are equivalent or not. Here from book I am taking a problem 6 by 15 and 18 by 45. I have to check these fractions, both are rational numbers. These fractions are equivalent or not. So what I have to do, I have to convert these fractions into their standard form at first. 6 by 15 in the standard form becomes 2 by 5. Dividing both numerator and denominator by 3, it becomes 2 by 5. This is the standard form. 2 and 5 are co-prime to each other. So this is the standard form of a rational number. Now 18 by 45. 18 by 45. If I divide both numerator and denominator by 9, I get 2 by 5. 2 into 9 equal to 18 and 5 into 9 equals to 45. So both the fraction becomes 2 by 5 in the standard form of their own. So these both are equivalent to each other. Secondly, I am taking another example 6 by 5 and 4 by 3. Look at these numbers. 6 by 5 is in the standard form of the rational number because there is no common factor of 6 and 5. They are co-prime to each other. Here is also 4 by 3 is also in its standard form because there is no factor common to them. So 6 by 5 and 4 by 3 are in their standard form and clearly they are not equal to each other. So 6 by 5 and 4 by 3 are not equivalent. Okay? So students, we have learned how to compare two rational numbers as they are equivalent or not. How to place a rational number in the number line. We will see the method how to do it. Here is the rational number 3 by 5, 3 by 4. We have to place this rational number in the number line. What's the method? See, 3 by 4 is a fraction which is less than 1. This is a proper fraction. So I will draw a number line here. Suppose this is 0 and this is minus 1 negative side and this is plus 1 positive side. As the number is negative here, so I will go towards this direction. 0 to 1 will be divided in 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. Suppose these are 4 equal parts divided by a marking. This is minus 1 by 4, minus 2 by 4, minus 3 by 4 and minus 1. 0 to minus 1, total interval is divided into 4 equal parts and each of the part is 1 by 4 in the measurement. So minus 3 by 4 is placed here. Out of 4 equal parts, 3 parts are taken. So minus 3 by 4 is here. This is the method how to put a rational number in the number line. We are taking another example. Suppose 1 by 3. Draw a number line. This is a number line and suppose this is the point 0. Towards this negative and towards this direction positive side. As this is a positive figure, 1 by 3 is a positive number, so we will go towards that side and 0 and plus 1 interval between these should be divided into 3 equal parts. So what does it mean? 1 out of 3. This is the point, first part. Out of 3 equal parts, 1 part is taken. So 1 by 3 is the point taken here. Okay, this is the process how to put a rational number in the number line. Now it is to find out the rational number of rational numbers in a series of rational number presented in a particular pattern. Suppose there is an example, minus 3 by 7, minus 6 by 14, minus 9 by 21 and minus 12 by 28. I have to find out 4 more rational numbers in this series following the same pattern. Now what is the pattern here? Look at closely. Minus 3 is multiplied by 2, we get minus 6. Minus 3 is multiplied by 3, we get minus 9. Minus 3 is multiplied by 4, we get minus 12. So the first number is multiplied by 1, 2, 3, etc. Same case in the denominator also. 7 is multiplied by 2, we get 14. 7 is multiplied by 3, we get 21. 7 is multiplied by 4, we get 28. So to find out 4 more rational numbers in that series, we have to multiply this numerator and denominator by 5, 6, 7 and 8. Doing this, we can get the rational number we are looking for. Minus 3 into 5, 7 into 5, that is minus 15 by 35. This is the fifth one. Minus 3 into 6, 7 into 6, minus 18 by 42. Sixth one, minus 3 into 7 by 7 into 7, minus 21 by 49. This is the seventh one, and minus 3 into 8 divided by 7 into 8, that is minus 24 divided by 56. This is the eighth one. So we got here 1, 2, 3 and 4 number of rational numbers in that series with the same pattern. Minus 5 by 7, minus 3 by 14, four by 7 and minus 6 by 7. I have to arrange these numbers in their ascending form. What I have to do? As I told you earlier, we have to make all these rational numbers apart from the sign on the numerical value in the like form, or I have to make them the like fraction. 7, 14, 7 and 7. These denominator have the LCM 14. So minus 5 by 7 becomes minus 5 multiplied by 2 and 7 multiplied by 2, that is minus 10 by 14. Minus 3 by 14 stays minus 3 by 14. 4 by 7 4 into 2 by 7 into 2, that is 8 by 14 and minus 6 by 7. We have got 4 like fractions. Minus 10 by 14, minus 3 by 14, 8 by 14 and minus 12 by 14. In all the cases, denominator are same, so it is easy to compare with their numerators. Which numerator is lowest? Lowest number is minus 12 by 14, then it comes minus 10 by 14, then minus 3 by 14 and lastly 8 by 14. So looking from here, we can arrange, we have arranged the number from lowest form to highest form. Comparing these to the original fractions, we are writing the number in their original form. Minus 12 by 14 is minus 6 by 7. Minus 10 by 14 is minus 5 by 7. Minus 3 by 14 is minus 3 by 14 and 8 by 14, that is 4 by 7. We have got the result. This is the smallest one and this is the highest one, and arranged in their ascending form. Minus 6 by 7, minus 5 by 7, minus 3 by 14 and 4 by 7. Okay, this is the process by which we can arrange the number of rational numbers according to their value in ascending or descending order. This was my session. I hope you have understand all the things I wanted to make you understand, and if there is any query or question, please make a comment in the comment box. See you again in the next session very soon. Thank you very much. Stay healthy and blessed.